or disappear, then be lifeless like the sea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be going to fix my broken tooth. This is gonna be my first time visiting a dentist in the UK, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. How did this happen? Tell you guys the story another time. But I'm literally just on my way. Appointment is like 8 in the morning, which is super bright and early. But I feel like it's the perfect time to put your tooth in back. Like if you do it till late in the afternoon, I don't know. Why didn't Tooth Fairy work for me actually? Yeah, it doesn't, because clearly it stayed broken. But anyway, going to fix it today, and I'm super excited, so grateful, because I've been super conscious about it. Okay, not my phone falling, but yeah. So, just packed up, ready to go into the dentist now. It's actually currently a few minutes. It's 7:47, so still got a few minutes to wait because the appointment is not till 8. They're probably not even opened. God knows when they open. Like, who books an appointment for 8 a.m? Like, but they saw how desperate I was with my tooth and were like, girl, just come in at a.m, we're gonna get it sorted. So have a look at what it looks like before, because in a few minutes it's gonna be changed. I'm here now. Oh, do you know what? I forgot to use my drug again. A dentist to go to.
Okay.
Until this accident happened.
Yeah.
And then I had to find one.
Kind of pushed you to it.
Actually, oh my god, you got it now.
Sorry?
I think it's funny as you can do it and it saves it, but
It was never that far away. I was never that far. All my life I've been someone,
there we have it, guys. My smile has been restored. I feel super confident, honestly. I feel like the more I grow older, the more I understand when people say something is my insecurity, I want to fix it. I really don't blame them. For a very long time of my life, when I was young, I had like chipped tooth, and I'm sure that clearly affected my confidence, but it wasn't as bad as my previous tube was. It was actually like my tooth enough. I'll insert a picture here. But like when I fixed it, obviously when I was of age, immediately I chipped my tooth on Friday. Guys, it's been horrible. Everything was just like blur for me until I fixed it. Anyway, this is what it looks like now. I'm super excited with what they've done. And I kind of perfected the other tooth, so it looks perfect. Oh my gosh. And I don't even really smile. I'm not a smiler, but like when I literally didn't have like my tooth, I wanted to smile all day, and it was just awkward. But I'm super excited that I fixed it. They didn't allow me to film the process, but they were super nice. They were like, you can take videos in between, but we just don't want you to have your camera on while we're doing it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave their details in the bio if you want to visit them. They were really nice. They actually booked me in really quick. I literally messaged them on Monday, and Thursday they basically created an appointment for me. He had to come in an hour before his shift so he could do it for me, so I'm super grateful. He costed about £790. Yeah, it's a bit expensive, but that is literally the general price, and they didn't even charge me emergency fee. I'll be honest, they didn't charge me anything too crazy, so they charged me £790 to do the actual chip tooth, and then they perfected the other one, which I think is great price, because everyone I've been searching with, they're like, oh, it starts from 400, or we're gonna tell you when we see you. I was like, no, tell me now. But yeah, this is literally the results. I'm rushing back to work. I literally had to go during work. That's to show you guys how important it was to me. But yeah, this is my result. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, have a good day.
all my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone. Try